Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm playing Just Tornadoes. And you might be wondering why I'm just saying Just Tornadoes. They changed it to Just Tornadoes and not Just Tornadoes 1. Oh, dang it! I got respawn. But so I'm just gonna storm chase it. Day 1. Oh, day 46. What are you talking about? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna probably storm chase my favorite one. What's my favorite one? Maybe my favorite one. My favorite one has to be Dominator 3. This is my favorite one. Yo, okay. Every time you gotta go forward first before you go in reverse. This thing doesn't have manual, this thing is just auto. Yo, oh my god. Well, yo, I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. There we go. There are the tornadoes. Oh, dang it. Oh no. What did I do? I gotta spawn it again. Get in Dominator 1. Dang, look at those tornadoes. Oh, Titus, what are you doing? Bro, you're not even a good interceptor. Bro, Titus, you're not a good interceptor, bro. I'm deploying right now. Where's the spikes? Where's spikes, bro? Bro, you're not gonna survive it, bro. You're an off-roader, not here, bro. You off-road, over there. You're supposed to be by the sewers, bro. Whatever, bro. He does whatever he wants with Titus. That's his. And it's not even a good interceptor. It's so not. Bro, what's up, Dominator 4? But you don't have a deployment. Bro, you don't even have a deployment. Wait, I need to undeploy and get a probe. Get a probe. Which one? Heavy probe or a regular probe? Regular probe all the way. Okay. Deploy. Airbags. Spikes. Okay, we're good. Okay. I guess we just have to wait till that tornado comes. That's definitely EF4. I'm gonna survive this, bro. I bet Titus won't even survive it. I bet he won't, Titus. But my dad likes tornado attack, but I said that it gives Titus vibes when we watched the movie Hurricane Heist. I said, oh, that gives Titus vibes, but it didn't have any spikes, so. But it looked like Titus. Oh, it's coming. Here it is. Yo, check the wind speed. Oh, 150 miles per hour, dang. Oh my god. Oh, that's not even that much, bro. So you're gonna get flamed. You're done for. You are done for. You are done. Wait, what? Maybe Titus is actually good. But not EF. I bet he doesn't even survive EF5 though. Okay. Okay, I'm good. Good. Lowering back. Still need to stay deployed so I don't get flamed. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Oh, you're going away? Oh, now I'm alone, bro. Dominator 4, come. You're my brother, bro. Bro, why are you leaving me alone? You don't even have a deployment system. But I guess I gotta stay alone. I guess I have to. This is My favorite vehicle. Storm chasing vehicle. Where's the exhaust though, bro? Buddy, where is the exhaust? Isn't it supposed to be on the side? Like, right where my screen is at? Right here? That's supposed to be where the exhaust is at. Where isn't, there's no exhaust? This is probably, oh, it's probably a diesel anyway. Probably in this game, it's a diesel. So, that's probably why you can't see that exhaust. Do I have to wait for a tornado? I see no tornadoes. Oh, I think I have to go on that side now. Get my probe out. Get in. Turn. I gotta turn again. Go. Move. Okay, good. Oh, do I have enough speed? Yes. Oh, that Doe 7? Is that Doe 7 or Doe 6? I don't know. I think it's Doe 6. What's up, Doe 6? How are you doing? What do you... Bro, I tried this before. It wasn't even that good. It wasn't even that good, bro. It doesn't even have, like, spikes. It just has flat. Oh, let's move. I see a tornado. Oh, you going straight? Okay, I'm gonna follow you, okay? I'll follow you. Oh, it's by town. Damn, I think we could recreate 2013 El Reno. Or 2011 EF4 or EF3, whatever. Damn, that's so close. Damn. Let's go. Doe 6, whatever, Doe 7. I think it's a Doe 6. Dang. Oh, it's not even in the town yet. Oh, dang it. I feel like I'm gonna get flinged. Yo! Yo! Yo. Deploy. Yo, that's it. Oh, no! I gotta go over there. Let's go. I've never seen that thing, that Mercedes van. Damn, that's an EF3 right there. Or that's EF4, no. That's EF4. Oh, hell no. Yo, what are you just staying planted there? Bro, Ellen TV doesn't even... See, I told you, it wasn't even that good. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, freak, I'm not still. Oh, shit. Oof. Good. Okay, I can just... What are you doing, Ellen TV, bro? Bro, look, they're afraid. Oh, my God. Bro, look at Titus. Oh, my God. Is that even Titus? R.I.P. Titus, bro. R.I.P., bro. R.I.P. Titus. R.I.P., bro. R.I.P. Titus. He's cooked, bro. R.I.P., bro. Yo, what's up? Oh, you got flinged over here and you landed. You good, bro. You just got flinged over here and landed. You lucky. I didn't even get lifted yet. But I was moving. I was moving side to side, but not anymore because it's a weight. So far, I survived 2 tornadoes. Okay. Damn, there's just so much tornadoes. Can you even drive that van? Well, let me see if I could drive it. Oh, hell no. What is happening? I'm gonna spawn it later, bro. No, you can't even get in. Bro, it's a right-handed, what? It's a right-handed, that thing from Japan, bro. Let me spawn it back in. There. Let's go back. I think I should respawn, that's better. Despawn vehicle. Oh, ready to spawn, I forgot. Let's check the radar. Wait, let me get Dominator 3. I may get inside. Okay, let's check that radar. Oh, I don't know where the heck I am, but I'm over by the sewer, I think. Yeah, I'm by the sewer. Damn, they're all the way over there, though. Oh, that I'm right. Oh, yo, 2 Tiv 2s, bro. I know Tiv 2's good, but I got flamed ones. I don't know how. Wait, you could. So people said you could change the color of the tornado. That's what people said you can. Settings. Let's see. Oh, you can. Red. I changed it to red, bro. It's gonna be a mutant tornado. I need to do EF5 so it's an actual. Yo, can you move Dominator 4? Imagine they had Dominator 5. Boy. What's up, Tiv2? What's up? How you doing? Oh, you're still deploying. I see your back spikes. But where are your back spikes, bro? When are your back spikes gonna? Okay. Oh, you're still putting your flaps up? Damn. Oh, I'm lagging. I'm freaking my Wi-Fi. Oh, my Wi-Fi? My Wi-Fi's good, bro. But why am I so lagging? Yo, where's the red tornado? Oh, it's right there. It's because I'm so laggy. Oh, wait, let me undeploy and add, probe. Yo, not that way. There we go. Deploy. There. We good. Damn. There's 3 tornadoes, bro. Oh my god. 3 tornadoes in a row. But why are you undeployed? You need to be deployed if you don't want to get lifted. Bro, I thought what the frick, Tiv 2 was better than me. What? I don't know, but we're both the cool guys, but Titus, what are you doing here again? Are you the same guy from me before? Oh no. Bro, why are people using Titus? I tried it once, it wasn't even good. Like, bro. You have to do it by the sewers. Oh, look at that red tornado. I made it red. It's a mutant tornado. I'm gonna say in chat, mutant tornado. Yeah, mutant tornado. Oh no. Yes, it is, bro. For me, it is, but. Make the clouds. Clouds. Can you change the clouds? Yo, red fog, this is fire. No, it's just orange. Yo. Oh my god. 2 mutant tornadoes. You know what? That's not even it. Make it default. Bro, black is fire. Black? Bro, oh my god. Let's make a default. Yo, bro, what are you doing, bro? What's up? Oh my god, I see it. Simon. Bro, it doesn't even matter. Bro, it's just a game. Yeah, we twins, bro. We have the same thing. Yo, it looks like I have, perfect timing. That was almost perfect timing. Ah, tricked you. Bro, there's 3 Twistix probes. Bro, I'm using Twistix because if you see over there, it says RIP Twistic team. If you go over there, it says, see, it's like a grave over there, and that says Twistix team. I'll go show you. I'm gonna go show you. I'm gonna go over here. Oh my god, 3 Dominator 3s? Yo, the whole crew's here. It's the whole crew. Oh, yeah, it's over here. See, it looks like a grave. See, that's the pro, bro. No, that's not. Is that the pro? That's a hammer pro. Oh, that was their top probes. Wait, let me show you. See, it says RIP. Twistix team, bro. For real, RIP Twistix team. For real, bro. I miss Twistix, bro. They were like the best team I would ever see. But, so, that's all for today. So, I'll see you next time when I upload. And I'll see you later. Bye.